Dear friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. It is easy to make money if we are well prepared, if we are planning well, if we are studying well, if we are learning well. If we know how to read the indicators, if we know how to read the levels, then it's easy to make money. That's why we need to be prepared. I normally keep saying, learn to study, analyze, backtest, trust, and then follow the indicators. Now you see what happens is, if somebody tells us tomorrow Reliance is going to go to 2,500, we will take it with a pinch of salt. And at the end of the day, if it really goes to 2,500, we will start wondering, how could I have trusted him? I don't have trust in what he said. That is why I could not do anything about it. Yes, that is why we need to build a trust between ourselves and the indicators. Now it so happens, most difficult time for the indicators, for the traders about the indicators is the trend reversal time. Yesterday I told that it could be trend reversal time. Reason? It's not something I'm telling from my pocket. Basically because character channels, Bollinger Bands and RSI were overheated and Nifty 50 index was already consecutively 8 days closed in red, and record level for closing in red is 9 times. So it was easy to be aware that there could be a trend reversal today. That's it. So today we don't know where the market will be tomorrow, because for one thing, we don't know whether it is one-off up move today, whether it is a drama for weekly expiry tomorrow. So what we do, and in all the indicators as it is are still very, very negative and weak. So that is where exactly where, although of course every time it is important, every day it is important, but especially at such times it's important to have pivot points, support and resistance levels of all Nifty 50 stocks, Nifty and Bank Nifty with us. That is what I'm presenting here today. How to use that? Okay, let me take a minute to explain that. You see, wherever the underlying opens, or wherever we are trying to take an entry, a level next to that should be used as a stop loss. That is, if we are going long, the one level below is the stop loss. If we are going short, one level above is the stop loss. In case, say for example, Nifty is at 17,350 and I want to take an entry, then 17,300 or whatever it is closer to that support level, that becomes our support or stop loss for going long, or closer to 17,400, whatever is there is level for us to use a stop loss when if you are going short. Also, always we should consider if the underlying is above the pivot point, then the underlying is stronger for the day. If it is below the pivot level, then the underlying is weaker for the day. That is the way to use it. If you have any doubt, feel free to call me. I shall explain you further in detail. It's a good habit to have the day's pivot point, support and resistance levels of the stocks and indices with us before we start trading. So here it is, presenting you the pivot points, support and resistance levels of all Nifty 50 stocks for tomorrow. This is the first page from Adani Enterprises to Coal India. This is the second page, Divi's Lab to IndusInd Bank. This is the third page, Infosys to Reliance. This is the fourth and last page of the levels, SBI Life Insurance to Bank Nifty to Wipro. Of course, it is including Nifty and Bank Nifty. It is presented in alphabetical order, so it is easy to look for any stock. Also, this is the important indicators of Nifty 50 index for past 4 weeks, that is from February 2nd to 1st of March, February 2nd to 1st of March, and here it is 1st of February to 1st of March of Bank Nifty important indicators for past 4 weeks. If you have any questions, any queries, feel free to get in touch with me. I shall be only pleased to explain it further. Before I say goodbye, please remember to subscribe, share and like our video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.